Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I came up with the simplest beverage and it's so good. It reminds me of the orange creamsicle popsicles that I used to eat years ago. So I wanted to share this with you. Now this absolutely cannot get any easier, but I did write it out for you and put a recipe below. It's simply 2 parts of orange juice. And I've got a 1/4 cup measure here because I don't need to make a whole lot for myself right now. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like. There's 2 parts of orange juice. And now we want 1 part of oat milk. And if you have extra creamy oat milk, it makes it that much better. I don't think this is the extra creamy version, but I'm going to go with what I have. So 2 parts orange juice to 1 part oat milk. That's it. Stir it up and enjoy. You can see what it looks like. There it is. Oh my. It's rich, it's creamy, it tastes just like a melted creamsicle popsicle. It is so good. Couldn't be easier. It quenches your thirst. It would be great with breakfast, great with a snack, great with any meal you want to have it with, or just on its own. Do give this a try sometime. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.